Hi, today I'm going to make this very cute baby pram made entirely of paper. Very easy to make and perfect for a baby shower. Materials I'm using here, this is a cardboard sheet, a silver colored glitter paper sheet, this is paper not foam, and cardstock in light pink and dark pink. I've taken a lid, you can take any size that you want, so this is about 4.5 inches, and I'm just going to trace it out on this, on the cardboard, and cut it out. So this is how it look. Now I have taken the center point and I'm just going to draw a line through the center. And then another one at 90 degrees to this. Like this. Now I'll just increase this particular line, any one line, by about 4 mm or so. Just mark that and cut. Just draw it. So it will look like this. So now I'm just going to cut along this line and this line. So this is how it's going to look. Now I'm just going to trace it out on the light pink paper. And then on this, I'll just draw a line around this, leaving about a centimeter gap. Like this, and now I'll just cut it out like so. Now I'll take I'll trace out another piece in the same way. Let's try to save paper. So and I'll cut this out. So I've got all the 3 pieces here. Now I'm just going to put some glue on the bigger one, the one with double outline. And stick the cardboard piece on it. And let it dry. Now I'll just cut slits on this all along the edge till the cardboard. Like this. So I'll just cut the whole piece. So after cutting all the slits, I'll just apply glue along the edge of the cardboard. And then just fold these divisions and stick them on the cardboard. keep pulling them a bit and then sticking them like this. So after sticking it, I'll just stick this piece on it. So apply glue. And stick this on it. Like so. So I've made another piece in the same way, facing the same direction. Now this is a circle from the cardboard for the wheel, and as I did for the pram, so I've traced it out slightly bigger than this, and another piece which is the absolute shape, same shape as this. So now I'm just going to cut out, I'm just going to stick this on this and then cut it out and stick this in the same way. So I'll just apply some glue and stick it in the center of this. Let it dry. In the same way, I'm going to put cut slits on this all around the circle, all around. I'll apply glue around the edge and stick these on it. Like so. So apply some more glue now. And stick this piece on it. So I've made others, 4 wheels in the same way. Now from this sheet of paper, I'll just take one of these pieces and sort of measure it. So start from here, the edge, just to see how much paper you require. So just roll it along, and it's till this edge. So now I'm just going to take, you just hold them together and see how wide you want. I think this should do it. That's about 5 centimeters. So I'm just going to mark out 5 centimeters. And cut it out. So now I'll just apply glue on the edge of the strip. Take one of these pieces. Start with this. Put it on the top like so, and just stick it as you go around the circle. Like this. So I'll just stick it. It's a little difficult. So this is how it's going to look. Now I'm going to stick this also in the same way. So this is how it's going to look. Now I'll just stick these wheels on it, to this side and to the other side. So just apply some glue on half of the wheel. And similarly on this. Like this, and let it dry. Then I'll stick the other two on the other side also. After this has been stuck, it's steady. So now I'm going to decorate it. So you can use anything. I've got these paper laces which I'm going to stick in various ways on it. So this is how it's going to look with the lace work. Now I've cut out this spirals from the silver glitter paper. So these will be the handles. So I'll just put some glue and stick it on the inside like this, and I'll stick the other one also. Just make sure they are the same height, on the same angle. Okay, I've got sticky fingers, so too much glue. Like this. I've got a piece of thin strip of the silver paper, so which I'm going to just put some glue and balance it on the inside on the spirals. Hi, today I'm going to make this very cute baby pram made entirely of paper. Very easy to make and perfect for baby shower.